Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Paul Williams and I'm a professional artist. I teach people how to draw using pastel pencils and graphite pencils. I find them great mediums. I find that graphite pencils bring pictures to life so they can sort of give photographic images a bit more of a soul. And there's nothing more vibrant than a pastel drawing. So pastel pencils can bring their vibrancy and their colour intensities out, and you can make some really beautiful drawings of animals and wildlife. Here on my channel you'll see a lot of preview videos. They're previews of full real-time tutorials that I have over on my Patreon channel. However, they are just speeded up videos and very often you will pick up a lot of tips and tricks from watching them, so please watch them, give them likes and subscribe. I also put on here a lot of videos where you can genuinely pick up some tips and ideas. So drawing and art is not just a hobby, it's really good for the soul, it's really good for the mind. It's like meditation when you get lost in a drawing and lost in what you're doing. So if you're looking to just watch these videos, get something from it that way, or you're looking to improve your art, please give me a subscribe, like my videos, and head over and check out my Patreon channel if you want to take things a little bit further. But that's enough of me going on. Take a look at some of the videos and I hope you enjoy them.